Hello gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how to make this a record shelf. Look at that. What you need is a screwdriver, 4 records that you hate, for example, Buddy Holly. 3 of these long threads, about this long, and these nuts and some cap nuts, and step 1. Take one of the records and do some basic trigonometry to find where to drill the holes. You can use the circle to help, or you can just ask your mom for help if you're dumb. Then stack all 4 of the records atop each other, right? And then drill the holes where you put the holes, where you put the little markers, you know. Make sure that the drill size, it's very important, make sure that the drill size bit matches the thread size. So this long piece, make sure it matches. Right, now what you want to do is put each record on the thread one at a time and put a nut on each side to make sure it is secure. I put washers in between, but you don't really need them because, you know, you're broke. Actually no, it's pretty easy to find washers on the street, you know. I always find like 5 on the road, unless you live in like Singapore where it's like clean. Anyways, the hard part about this build is that it takes forever to get the nut down the thread. My goodness, I'm sure there are faster methods, but I was kind of too lazy to find those methods. Maybe use the drill or something, I don't know, anything could work. Just find the fastest way. Use your fingers. Me struggling here, like a absolute donut. Look, eventually get it though. It's half the hard work, dedication, you know. One of the good methods is use the arm. You just like drag it against the arm and it'll be fast. I don't know. But as you can see, I'm getting each layer done very quickly. Actually no, very slowly. Look, stacking up. Almost finished. Just one more step. Gotta add those nut caps onto the ends, right? Then once you do that, you want to just make the records as flat as possible by adjusting the nuts. And there you go, finished. Awesome, look at that. Beautiful thing you just made. Wow, you can put like other records on top of it. How about that? Wow. More storage for your CDs. How about that? Put the CDs there. Amazing. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.